Hi everyone, and happy Sunday to all of you. Today I was out for a lovely Sunday brunch, and I thought about giving you 5 food idioms on my way to the brunch and back home now. Hope the idioms help. The first one is to go bananas. To go bananas means to go crazy or to get very excited about something. For example, I went bananas looking after my cousins yesterday. Or I could say everyone went bananas at the concert yesterday. The next one is not my cup of tea, which means you don't enjoy something or you don't like it. It's not something you're interested in. For example, thanks for inviting, but horror movies is not my cup of tea. Or you could say, I tried yoga, but I don't think that's my cup of tea, which means you didn't really like it. Next up is apples and oranges. Apples and oranges is used when you compare two things that are completely opposite or different from each other, and you must not do that. For example, my sister and I are like apples and oranges, which means we're totally different from each other. Our likes, our dislikes are the opposite. Another sentence I could give is, comparing an off-roading car to a luxury sports car is like comparing apples and oranges. Number 4 is as cool as a cucumber, which means to remain calm and relaxed even during stressed situations or in an emergency, or it's used for someone who does not panic very easily. So, if I have to give you an example, that could be even during turbulence, the pilot remained as cool as a cucumber and hence ended up saving several lives. Or I could also say, during my speech yesterday at the auditorium, I was as cool as a cucumber. Number 5 is in a pickle. Now, that means to be stuck in a tricky or a difficult situation with no immediate rescue or solution. If I have to give you an example for this one, it would be I was in a pickle at the airport because I realized that I had forgotten my passport. Or you could also say that I double booked the ticket and I'm in a pickle now. So those were 5 food idioms that we discussed today. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share with your loved ones. And don't forget to click on the bell icon, and see you soon in the next video. You can also make suggestions as to what you would like to see next and what it is that you would like me to discuss with regards to English learning.